Hey everyone, it's Andrea with Yarn Pack and Mama, and today's tutorial will be over the chevron or ripple stitch. So this is a really interesting stitch that creates these chevron shapes, and in this version I'm going to be using single crochet only, and the multiple for this version that I'm using is 11 plus 2. So I've chained up 24, which is a multiple of 11, so 22 plus 2. And let's dive on in. So into the second chain from the hook, I'm going to place 2 single crochets into the same chain. And then I'm going to work 4 single crochets into the next 4 chains. And then from there, I'm going to skip 2 chains. And then I'm going to place 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches, or 4 chains. And then into the next chain, I'm going to put 3 single crochets into the same one. And then from there, it's going to be 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches, or crochet, or the chains, excuse me. And then it's going to be skip 2 chains again, single crochet into the next 4 chains, and then to finish off the row, it's going to be 2 single crochets into that last chain. And what you're going to end up with is something like this. So you're going to have this upper part, and then this dip down, and then a peak, a dip, and then another peak. So let's get started on row number 2. So you can do a chain of 1 turning chain, or you can work directly into this first stitch. I'm going to work directly into the first stitch, and I'm going to put 2 single crochets into that first stitch. And then that's followed by 4 single crochets in the next, a single crochet into the next 4 stitches. Here's 2, here's 3, and 4. And then we're going to skip 2. 1, 2, and then it's going to be 4 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, or single crochet into the next 4 stitches, I should say. 1, 2, 3. Here's 4. And then into that next stitch, it's going to be 3 single crochets into the same stitch. And then it is going to be a single crochet in the next 4. And then skip 2 stitches. And then it's going to be single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this turning chain is where you're going to work 2 single crochets into the same space. And this is how we're looking so far. And this is the chevron part, these pointed bits. And that is going to be your repeat for the entirety of this project. And that is how you do a chevron stitch pattern with single crochets. So I'm going to work up a few more rows, and I'll meet you at the end to show you what my swatch looks like. Okay, so I've come to the end of my work, and this is what it looks like so far. You can see that there is this stacked quality to the chevron, and if I was working in multiple colors, it would really offset it. If you did 2 rows in one color and then 2 rows in the next color, it would offset it better than in a single color. But this is the general idea of the chevron stitch, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.